Well, everybody, it's finally official. A couple days ago we went and bought some tires from the junkyard for 20 bucks a piece for our Park Avenue, because the back tire, when we bought the car, the previous owner put air in the tire the day I bought it from him, and it just continued to be a problem ever since, so I took that one off. Let me look in the back of the car here, y'all. I got my tires right there. Look at all the tread on them. They were $20 a piece for 17-inch tires, y'all. So, yeah, this is a new tire I put in the car since we bought it. And then on this side, this is also a new tire, but it had a screw stuck in it, so it went flat. So for like 3.5 months, this car has been sitting here. It hasn't been moved, it hasn't been driven. It's got a dead battery, 2 flat tires, door trim falling off it, and I got the bad tires off the Park Avenue. I got them in the back seat of the Sabre here, because tomorrow morning we got an appointment at 11 a.m. at the car shop over to the west of us here, and they're gonna flip-flop these tires for me, so I can't wait. I'm just gonna leave it sit on the jack overnight. It ain't going anywhere. I got the emergency brake set, so the car's gonna stay put. I just wanted to update y'all on what's going on with our cars. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We got more coming. Stay tuned. Check out our playlist for more videos like this. I do have an automotive playlist. You can all check if you feel inclined to do so. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, and talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.